Good day, everyone. I'm going to take you through on how to use the Human Resource Management Excel template by Gwani software. So as soon as you download the template and you paid for the license, a key is going to be sent to you. So that when you come to open the template, you are going to supply the key before it will open. The first key is for the template to open, for you to view it. And the second password is for the template to allow you to edit. If you supply only the first password, you can see the content, but you cannot edit, you cannot add, you cannot delete until you supply the second password before you can actually work on the template. So the two are mailed to you when your payment is confirmed. So I'm going to open the template now and take us through to see how we are going to make use of it. So as soon as you try to open the file, it's going to ask you to supply the password. The password is what is sent to you after your payment has been confirmed. So I type my own password. And then there is the password for you to modify. Without the second password, you cannot edit it. So I'm going to put the second password. All the two passwords are going to be sent to you as soon as your payment is confirmed. It is opening. And then this is the template as it has opened. Then in the template, there are three worksheets. The first one is the cover. This is the cover, which is giving you statistics of total employees you have, number of active employees, a number of employees that are not active, number of full-time employees, part-time, freelancers, number of males employees and female for your statistic. The second sheet is HR management. It is where you are going to be typing the information of your employee, starting from the PSN of the employee, followed by the first name, other names, then surname. From there, you now supply the hiring date, the designation, the department and departments. We have different departments depending on your own organization. So by the time you find out that the department listed here are not what your organization is having, you can just send mail to info@gwanisoftware.com so that it will be customized to have the departments in your organization. You choose the type of contract. Is it full-time, part-time, ad hoc, and so on and so on. From there, you now type the position, the BBN of this employee, his team, his NHIA in the case of deduction for national health insurance, his date of birth, sex, under sex you choose either male or female. Then we have the date of birth. Then his own marital status. Is it single? Is it married? Is it divorcee? Is it widow? The number of children. Email address of the employee. Telephone number of the employee. Address, which is contact address of the employee. City. Country. Commission rate, that is for salary if he is on commission rate. If he is on salary, what is his salary? And account number, date of termination in case his appointment is terminated, And we have some custom field that you can create it yourself. Revenue generated, liability, that is the money spent on him, any training that he is scheduled for, and then his productivity index. This one is automatically going to be computed, and then the hard goals that are to be set on the employee. This is the hard goal. The next of kin and the phone number of the next of kin, the first referee, the second referee, the first referee relationship, and the second referee relationship. Under the relationship, we have family relationship, work relationship, academic, where the employee school in that institution, marriage, and then others. So these are the details. And then we have another sheet for index. This particular sheet is going to show all your employees with their own productivity index, so that you see which one is most productive to the organization. So these are what you can do on these templates. So thank you very much.